Hello guys, welcome back to another video. We are talking about to Skyguard company. I mean insurance company. Now let's start with our topic. Our title is Skyguard. Skyguard means insurance, smooth flights and secure landings. INT means insurance company office day. A specification officer with large windows overlooking the sky shine. Jenny, a suspend insurance get sits at her desk speaking on the phone with a client. Jenny, cheerfully, absolutely, Mr. Adorson, with understanding the importance of protecting your aviation assistant. Our Skyguard policy is tried to provide comprehensive coverage for your aeroplane. Cut to exit airport day. A sleek private jet taxis on the runways, ready for takeoff. The sun shines on its polished surface. A voiceover introduces the concept of aeroplane insurance. Voiceover. Flying is a exhilarating experience, but it comes with the share of risks that were Skyguard steps in your seat in the sky. Cut to INT. INT means insurance company office day. Jenny gestured to a large presentation screen showing a breakdown of Skyguard coverage. Jenny, our policy covers a range of sensors from manner damage or contributed events. We are got your we will got your covered from engine failures to in-flight turbulence. Cut to animation diagram of coverage. Graphic illustrated the different coverage areas, aircraft damage, laboratory, medical expenses, and more. VoiceOver Skyguard offer a comprehensive package include coverage for damage to your aircraft, third party, and even medical expenses in case of an emergency. Insurance company office day Jenny continues explain to benefits of Skyguard to the client. Smiling. Moreover, our policy is flexible with other your own a single engine popular plane of a flat or a flat of corporate jet. Skyguard can be trialed to meet your specific needs. Cut to exit airport. A montage of different type of aeroplanes take off and lands, showcasing showcasing the diversity of aircraft covered by Skyguard. Voiceover with other you are a private pilot, a commercial airline, or an aircraft owner. Skyguard provides peace of mind, ensuring that you are negative to ski your confidence. Insurance company office day Jane's had over a policy document to the staff's client. Mr. Dawson, with Skyguard, you not only get coverage to your aircraft but also a dedicated team to expert ready to assistant you 7 or 4 o'clock. Animation claims process, graphic illustrators and streamlined claims process, efficiency and customer support. Voiceover. Our claims process is designed to be hassle-free in the uncomfortable event of a claim. Our expenses team is here to guide you through every steps ensuring a smooth resolution. Cut to exit airport day. The private jet from early lands smoothly with the Skyguard logo prominently displayed on its style. Skyguard where safety meets the sky because flights should be an adventure, not a worry. So guys, we meet our next video. Okay, goodbye.